Hi, my name is Taylor Richardson, aka Astronaut Starbright, and today I've joined the hashtag Stay In and Play In, where we teach you how to do experiments at home while staying in. And today I will teach you guys how to make slime. First, you're going to need some gloves since we will be messing with boric acid. You're also going to need a bowl and a spoon, contact solution, shaving cream, glue, water, and your favorite colors of food coloring dye. You're also going to need measuring cups to measure out each part of the substances. So first we're going to use our water. We're going to use half a cup of water as our base. And you're just going to pour that into the bowl. Secondly, we are going to use our glue. I think you can really just pour any amount you want, and it depends on how big you want your slime. I'm just going to use a little, so that's why I'm not going to be keeping all of it. Make the process go a little faster. Okay, and now you're going to use 1/4 a cup of boric acid and save that. Okay, and to get your slime to have a sort of fluffy consistency, you're going to pour your shaving cream. It's going to come out. Put as much as you need in there. Okay. And then you're going to stir. You can use either a spoon or a popsicle stick, whatever you really have in your house. And then you're just going to mix that all up. And it's going to have sort of a lumpy consistency. That's going to be the shaving cream. So just try to press down on the lumps to see if you can get them all out. Okay, next, you're going to use food coloring. You can pick whichever color you want, but today I'm going to use blue since that is my favorite color. Put about 3 drops, or 4, or 5. And then you're going to put your contact solution, mix that up, mix. I don't know, I'm going to show you guys in a second. And then you're going to pour a little bit of the boric acid in to thicken up your slime. Then you're going to mix that all together. I'm gonna show you guys what's looking like right now. So this is the color we have right now. As you can see, it's thickening up. If it's a little too watery, you can put in a little bit more boric acid. And don't forget your gloves. Get some arm workouts going on. And here you have it, your fluffy slime. See you guys later.